Student. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. Now, first of all, see the list of all this number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, they all are arranged in a particular pattern. So, here all these are the even number and they are increasing by 2. So, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 and so on. Here, this is 100, 90, 80, 70. So, it is decreased by 10. Okay, now see here 2, 3, 5, 7. These all are the set of prime numbers. Here this is 1 square, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16 and so on. Now out of them, which of them are arithmetic progression? So first of all, let us understand what is arithmetic progression. You see here, the difference is 2 and it is fixed number. Here also the difference is minus 10 because 90 minus 100 is minus 10. 80 minus 90 is minus 10. 70 minus 80 is also minus 10. So these two are arithmetic progression because if I subtract, this is called first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on. So if I do second term minus first term, the answer is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is also 2. So that is a fixed number. That is a fixed number. So when it remains fixed number, you have to check up to all the terms. So then it is called arithmetic progression. Okay, so it forms a arithmetic progression. Here also 90 minus 100 is minus 10. 80 minus 90 is minus 10. 70 minus 80 is also minus 10. So it is the same fixed number. So this is also, it also represents the arithmetic progression. Here you see 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. So they are not same. So this is not the example of an arithmetic progression. Here also 1, first term is 1, second term is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. So they are not the same number. So this is also not the arithmetic progression. So how we can represent the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means the number is increasing by a particular number only. Then it is called a arithmetic progression. Let us take one more example, 5. Suppose I am taking 5, 5, 5, 5 and so on. Now the question is this an arithmetic progression? The answer is yes. Why? Because 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So we are getting the same fixed number. But here that number is 0. Now let us understand what is the common difference and what is the first term. Now here the 2 is the first term. Now these two are not the arithmetic progression. So we don't say anything for the first term and all that for these two. So this is first term and it is represented by A only and sometime by A1. This is second term, so it is represented by A2, third term A3, A4 and so on. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on. Now what is D? D is a common difference. D means A2 minus A1. That means second term minus first term. That is D. Or you can say A3 minus A2. Or you can say A4 minus A3 because all are same. So this is called common difference and it is represented by D. So what is first term? First term is represented by A or A1 and common difference is represented by D. So A is the first term. So first term is represented by A and the common difference is represented by D. Now if I want to write the general form of arithmetic progression, then I will write like this. First term is A, second term is A plus D because I am adding D. Third term will be a plus 2d. Fourth term will be a plus 3d and so on. So I will get the entire arithmetic progression. So if I am knowing the first term and if I am knowing the common difference, I can find the arithmetic progression. Suppose you are said first term is given, common difference is given. Find first 4 terms of arithmetic progression or first 10 terms of arithmetic progression. We can use this general form and we can find this. Now see, in the first question, the first term is 2 and the common difference is 2 because 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So I will keep adding 2. I will get the answer here. The common difference is minus 10 because A2 minus A1. A1 means first term. A2 means second term. So A2 minus A1 is minus 10. So here 80 minus 90 is also minus 10. So first term is 100 and D is minus 10. D is minus 10. Now these two are not the AP, so we don't find this. Now here the first term is 5 and the common difference, that is D, is 0 because 5 minus 5, that is second term minus first term, is equal to 0. So I think first term and common difference is clear to everybody, and this is the general form of A plus D, A plus 2D and so on is the general form of arithmetic progression. Now let us start exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number 1 first. Now, in question number 1, we have to state whether the condition represents the arithmetic progression, that is AP. The short form of arithmetic progression is AP or not. Okay, so let us see the first situation. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means suppose a taxi driver is taking 15 rupees for first kilometer. So my first term is 15. Now after that he is taking 8 rupees extra for each kilometer. That means if I am going for 1 kilometer, I have to pay 15 rupees. But if I am going for 2 kilometer, then I have to give 15 plus 8. Okay, if I am going for the third time, then I have to give 15 plus 8 plus 8 and so on. So what is my first term? 15. What is my second term? That is 15 plus 8. That is 23. Now 23 plus 8 again. That means 16 plus this. So it will be 31 and so on. Now I have to find out whether this is, that means first term, second term and third term. I will keep adding 8 each time. Always find first 3 terms in such types of questions. Now here I have to show that whether it is an AP or not. So what is my first term? My first term, that is A, or you can write A1, is 15. What is my second term? That is 23. What is my third term? That is 31. Okay, so let us find out what is A2 minus A1. I am getting 23 minus 15, which is 8. A3 minus A2, that is 31 minus 23, that is also 8. So my common difference is 8. So yes, it represents the AP. So the answer of first is yes. Now second part. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time, whether it is AP or not. Now here, let us assume that Y, amount of air, is present in a cylinder. So let this be the cylinder, and how much amount is present here? Y. Now if I take out 1/4, if I take out 1/4, how much will left inside? Obviously 3/4. 1/4 is taken out. So how much will left? 3/4 will left. So if total air is Y, removed is how much? 1/4 of Y. So how much will left inside the cylinder? How much will left? 3/4 Y. I think the question is clear to everybody. Total air is Y. 1 by 4th is taken out. So if 1 by 4th is taken out, 3 by 4th will left inside. So 3 by 4 is left. So this is my first term. This is my second term. Now again, 3 by 4th is left inside. How much is left now? 3 by 4th is left. Now again, 1 by 4th of this is taken out. 1 by 4th of this is taken out. So how much will remain inside? Okay, in second case, so this was the first and this is second. Now in second case, total air is, how much total air is? 3 by 4y. Now 1 by 4th is taken out. So how much is left? So wait, removed. How much is removed? 1 by 4th of 3 by 4y. Total is this much. 1 by 4th is removed. So how much is left? 3 by 4th of this is left. How much is left? 3 by 4th of this is left. Because 1 of 4th is removed. So 3 by 4th of this is left. So which is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 4 4s are 16y. So this is my first term. This is my second term. This is my third term. So let us write down this in the form of series. So the first term is y, second is 3 by 4y, third is 9 by 16y and so on. Now let us find out whether it forms AP or not. So I will do A2 minus A1. What is my A2? 3 by 4y minus y. So I will take the LCM. So 4 is the LCM. So it will be 3y minus 4y. So I am getting minus y by 4. Okay. Now I will do A3 minus A2. What is my A3? 9 by 16y minus 3 by 4y. So 16 is the LCM. So 9y minus 4 3s are 12y. So I am getting the answer 4y by 16. That is minus 3y by 16. So here it is minus y by 4 and here it is minus 3y by 16. So they are not equal. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. They are not equal. So the answer is no. It does not forms AP. Third, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost rupees 150 for the first and then 50 is increased for each meter. So the first term is 150. After that, it increased by 50. So it will become 200. Again increased by 50. So it will become 250 and so on. So first term, second term and third term. Here it is increasing by 50. So A2 minus A1 is 200 minus 150. So the answer is 50. Again A3 minus A2. That means 250 minus 200. Again it is 50. So they are equal. So the answer is yes. It forms AP. Now fourth question. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest of 8% per annum. Now we know the formula of compound interest. The amount for the compound interest is equal to P. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. N means the number of years. Okay. Now suppose it is for the first year. So how much amount I will get? P is 10,000. 1 plus R. How much is my R? 8. R means rate of interest upon 100 for the first year. So that will be my, this is my first term. After 1 year, how much amount I will get is my second. So I will solve this. If I will solve this, I will get, this will become 108 by 100 raised to 1 means it's only for one time. 20 cancel. So my second term is 10800. Similarly, I will find the amount for second year. Here I will put 2. So I will get A is equal to 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to 2. So I will get 1000 into, this is okay, 108 upon 100 raised to 2. So it will become 10,000 into 108 into 108 divided by 100 into 100. See here, this is for 2 times. So 108 into 108. So 20 cancel, another 0, another 2 cancel. So what is my third term? 108 into 108. So 108 into 108 is 11664. 4. So my first term is 10,000. Second term is 10800 and the third term is 11664. So we have to find out whether it represents AP or not. First term is 10,000, second term is 10,800 and the third term is 11664. Now we have to check whether it is AP or not. So to check this, what we have to do? Second term minus first term, that is A2 minus A1. So I am getting 800. Again, A3 minus A2. So A3 is 11664 minus 10800. So when I subtract, I am getting 864. Are they equal? No. So A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So my answer is no. It does not forms AP. Now question number 2. Question number 2, first. Write first 4 terms of AP when the first term and common difference are given. So we have to write first 4 terms of this AP. The first term is 10 and the common difference D is also 10. Okay, now we know the general form of arithmetic progression. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Now they are telling us to find first 4 terms. So I will take up to A plus 3D. Now put the value of A and D. I will get the answer. Okay. What is A? First term is 10. Now A plus D. So my second term is A plus 10. So it will be obviously 20. The third is A plus 2D. That means 10 plus 2 into 10. Right? Keep putting the value of A and D. You will get the terms. So A plus 3 into D. That means 3 into 10. So my first 4 terms of this AP are 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 2 into 10, 20 plus 10, that is 30, 30 plus 10, that is 40. So these are the first 4 terms of question number 1. Now second. Here A, that is first term is minus 2. So first of all I will write the general formula, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. I want to find the first 4 terms. So I will take the first 4 terms. What is A? Minus 2. What is second term? A plus D. Here D is 0. So here again minus 2. That is again 2 into 0. Again minus 2 plus again 0 because 3 into 0 is also 0. So here my AP is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So first 4 terms of second is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, all are same because common difference is 0. Now let's see the last question of this. Fifth, A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. Now here the numbers are in decimal. So be careful in doing the calculation. So the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay. Now my first term is already minus 1.25. Now second term is A plus D. So it will be minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. See, we both are negative. Now plus minus is minus. So I will do the addition and the sign will be of negative minus. So if I do the addition of this two, I will get minus 1.50, or you can say minus 1.5. Okay. Now the third term. Third term is A plus 2D. So what is my A? Minus 1.25 plus 2D. What is D? Minus 0.25. So multiply this by this. I will get minus 1.25 plus. If I multiply 2 with this, what I will get? Minus. Here I will get minus because this is plus, this is minus. So minus, it will be again 0.50. So my third term is minus 1.75. Here both are negative. So I will do the addition and the sign will be of minus. So this is my third term. Now the fourth term, A plus 3D. So it will be minus 25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. So this is minus 1.25 plus minus is minus. If I multiply 2.5 with 3, I will get 0.75. So if I do the addition of this two, both are negative. So I will do the addition. I will get minus 2. So what are the four terms? The first term is minus 1.25. The second term is minus 1.50. The third term is minus 1.75. And the fourth term is minus 2. So these are the first four terms of question number 5. Next time we will do question third and fourth. Thank you.